The newly appointed president of Gambella region, Mrs. Alemitu Umid, and Vice President Dr. Gatluk Ron are conducting people-to-people peace relations. The candidates have asked religious institutions and other stakeholders to continue their role in peace-building. The new candidates, who have been meeting and discussing with different sections of society for the past few days, have started doing people-to-people peace relations. Today, also in Gambella City, 01 and 03 Kabyles attended the welcoming and introduction and people-to-people relations stage. As the regional president, Mrs. Alemitu Umid, said, "We will work together with our people to achieve rapid development. Peace is important for development, especially by consulting and making solutions to our social problems. They have said that they will do works that benefit the youth." The head of the administration said that we should prioritize peace while we are alive. We should build our values that can unite us, not separate us. The head of administration pointed out that religious institutions have a great role in building peace and asked the institutions to continue the work they are doing for sustainable peace. The vice president of the region, Dr. Gatluk Ron, pointed out that his leadership is taking over the responsibilities of many people and said that he will work for the peace and prosperity of the region. Dr. Gatluk, who said that people with faith will cooperate, respect, and live in tolerance, has made people living in the region realize that they are expected to do this. Since the region has enough resources, they have sent a message saying that we should leave conflict and oppression and development together. The head of the branch office of the Gambella Prosperity Party, Mr. Ashine Aston, said that the region should be moved forward with the brotherhood of the people and the unity of the people. They explained that if we unite and cooperate, we can take our development activities to the level we want. Gambella City 01 Kabyle Stage Coordinator Mr. Tater Cole wishes the newly appointed leaders of the region a happy working year and promised that he will support them.